Hi, I'm Kamika, trainer at Physique 57. Today we're going to rehabilitate, restore, and release with stretch and breath. I invite you to download a curated playlist on Spotify, just so we can all vibe with the energy of the music together. Now would be a good time to press play. Let's get started. So I'm here in a rock pose position, but if this is too intense, feel free to sit in an easy pose, cross-legged position. Hands on the thighs. Let's just come in tune with the breath, in tune with our body. Take a deep inhale, hold it, and exhale, release. Inhale, just feel the body, feel where there's tension, and just release it with the exhale. One more, deepest inhale, uninterrupted. Hold it at the top and release. Very nice. Now bow the chin to the chest and just roll the head to the right. Inhale when the head goes back. Exhale when it comes forward. And reverse. Always working with the breath. Beautiful work. Come center with the head. Crunch your shoulders all the way up to the ears. Inhale and release with a lion breath. Tongue out the mouth. Inhale and release. I want to hear the sound. Inhale and exhale. Beautiful work. Cross the right arm, cross the body, lock it in with that left arm. Try not to raise that right shoulder. Try and square the shoulders off. Inhale and exhale. Gorgeous. Inhale and exhale. Now bend that right elbow. Bring it all the way to the midline of the back body. Rest the head on this arm. We're gonna do a slight tilt, back bend to stretch the shoulder, stretch the triceps, the back of the arm. Inhale and exhale. Lean back slightly and release. Again, inhale and exhale. Look to the sky. Look to the ceiling wherever you are today. And release. Arms up, inhale, exhale and down. Other side, left arm across the body. Keep that left shoulder down. Be mindful. Use the breath. Conscious breathing, conscious stretching. And bend the elbow behind you. Midline of the body, the palm touches the spine. The elbow is behind the head. Inhale and exhale. Lean back. Feel the stretch in the shoulder, the stretch in the triceps. And release. Again, inhale. Exhale. Slight back bend. And release. Arms up, inhale. Exhale over. Beautiful work. Now I'm going to turn to the sides so you can see. Come onto all fours. We're going to do a couple of cat cows. Let the belly drop. Inhale, arch the back. And exhale, round the back. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now just circle the torso. Get rid of all the kinks, all the cracks. Warm up the spine. Other direction. We just release the spine. Beautiful. Now come back onto the heels. Clasp the hands behind you. Continuing with shoulder stretches. We hold a lot of tension in our shoulder, in our neck. Open the heart. Palms together, straighten the elbows and bow all the way down. Let the arms fall. And enjoy that stretch. Release the arms gently, palms up, just bow the head. This is such a good stretch, a good release. So good for your nervous system. You can do this first thing as you wake up in the morning to just get some blood flow going. Center, find some peace, find some calm. Beautiful work. And roll up slowly. Roll it on up. Head is the last thing to come up. Beautiful. Now find an easy pose, cross-legged. We're gonna do some twists. So good for massaging the organs, detoxifying the body. Inhale. Spine is long, shoulders down. Exhale and twist. Left hand comes over to right knee and twist. Inhale, center. Right arm to left knee. Inhale, spine is long. Exhale. One more set. Inhale. Grab a hold of the right knee. Exhale and twist. See if you can twist even further. Beautiful. Last one. Inhale. Spine is long. Exhale. Use your arm strength. Twist your torso. Beautiful work. Now leave that right leg bent. Foot is into that left inner thigh. Inhale, arms up. Now square the torso towards the leg. Exhale and down. Inhale. Spine is long. Exhale. Try and square the shoulders to the knee. Now it's very important that we get the head to the knee. So if you don't have that range of motion right now, it's perfectly okay to bend that knee. Bring the head down. Inhale. Now we're working with the breath. So every time you exhale, relax. You should get even farther. But take it easy with yourself. Take time, take care, be gentle. It's all about where you are today. And release that. Beautiful work. Now extend both legs out. Flex the toes. Forward fold. Inhale. Spine is long. Inhale all the goodness, all the beauty of life. Exhale anything holding you back. Now lengthen the spine here. Inhale. Exhale, bend the elbows. Grab a hold of the toes if you can. If not, the shins. Perfectly okay. Be where you are. Inhale and exhale. Beautiful work. Still working with that right side. Grab a hold of the leg. Now just cradle it. Try and keep the knee and the ankles in line. Just get all the cricks out of the hips. We store so much trapped emotions in our hips. Let's get rid of them. Let's release them with love. That's it. And now just gently rest it on the extended leg. Inhale, hip stretch, fold over, exhale. Be where you are. Send love, send breath to that right hip. Awesome work. Now stay where you are. Bend the left leg in. Bring the hip as close to the heel as possible. Keep the knee and ankle in line. And just continue to rock side to side. The seated figure 4. Taking our time here. Congratulations for taking this time to take care of yourself. Take care of your body, mind, soul, spirit, body. Beautiful. Of course, you can stay as long as you'd like in these poses. Nice. Now we're coming onto the back body. Extend that left leg. Thread the arms through and hold the whole shape towards your body. Now to intensify this stretch, I want you to bend that left leg. Yes. Feel it in the right hip. No tension, no gripping. Just breathe and release. Every time you exhale, just pull it closer. O shape towards you. Excellent, and release. Just make some circles here on the ceiling, on the beautiful blue sky for me. Just massage the kidneys. And reverse the circle. This is so delicious. Massage your spine. Happy life. Beautiful work. Now take your time. Come on up. Other side. We're bending the left knee in, left foot against the right inner thigh. Inhale. Inhale, gratitude. Exhale, square the body down to that right leg. Try and bend the elbows. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, be where you are. Remember, if you don't have the range of motion yet, perfectly okay, or the flexibility, perfectly okay to bend that knee, but whatever you need to do, get that head to the knee. It's about being where you are, honoring where you are in your body today. It's all about self-care and self-love. And release, beautiful work. Forward fold again. Inhale, exhale over. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Bend the elbows, try and keep that spine long. Woo. Awesome. And release. This time, grab the leg, flex the toes, knees in line with the ankles. Rock it, rock the hip socket. Yes. Get that fluid circulating, get those trapped emotions out of there. And gently rest that left leg onto the right extended leg. Inhale, forward fold. Woo. Yes, both sides are not always gonna feel the same. That's why we do this, to balance the body. It's so important, balance. Yeah. Inhale, exhale. Awesome work. Now bend that right leg. Sit that seat closer to the right heel. And just rock side to side. Yes. Feel the hips loosen up. Breathe into them. So good. My left hip tends to be a little tighter. Needs a little more love, but that's okay. Nice. Now coming onto the back body. Lay flat on your back, extend that right leg. Thread the arms through. Send love to the hip. Now intensify it by bending that knee just where you are. Inhale, exhale and pull. Inhale and exhale. Pull. This time, let's take a happy baby. Grab a hold of the outside of the foot. Pull the knees down towards the shoulders, thighs down towards the floor, and just rock the baby here. Spine is long, chin to chest, rock that baby.
Wasn't I meant to lie?
We're grateful for breath, grateful for beautiful bodies that get us through good times and challenging times. Awesome work. Now knees together, we're gonna hug the chest. This is called a wind removing pose. Head, neck and shoulders off the floor. Grab the opposite elbow. Inhale, exhale and release. Spine is flat and long. Chin to chest. This is so good for detoxification. It's massaging the organs. Inhale, exhale. If you have issues with digestion, I suggest working with this pose. Inhale and exhale. Beautiful work. We're gonna get into a shoulder stand. Now, while you're in the shoulder stand, keep the head centered, keep the chin tucked in slightly. We want to protect the neck. So come all the way down. Now we have the option of staying all the way up or bringing the legs overhead. Let's go. Now use the arms to support the lower back. Inhale. Exhale. Good work. Inhale. Exhale. Now if you want to go over, take your time, pull your abs in. Bring it all the way down. Clasp the hands under you if you'd like. And breathe. Out of it, release. Then release vertebrae. Gently honor yourself where you are. Come on up slowly. Back to an easy pose, cross-legged. Inhale. Honor yourself today where you are. Feel free to use this method as a restorative practice at the end of any one of our workouts. Or if you just need a little rejuvenating, a little restoration, a little release. Yes. Breathe in. Flutter the eyes closed. Exhale. Feel that release in the body as you compare to when we started at the beginning. Inhale. Exhale. Wishing you peace and love. Till next time, I'm Kamika.